You've probably seen headlines like these before. Backup tape lost during transport. 100,000 patient records stolen. Backup tape containing 42,000 employees' personal information stolen. According to the Privacy Rights Clearinghouse, over 500 million sensitive records have been breached since 2005. Even more sobering are the millions of dollars of expenses that companies incur on legal fees, lawsuits, customer notifications, PR damage control, complimentary credit card monitoring, and other regulatory actions required to clean up the problems associated with a data breach. According to industry experts, the total cost of these corrective measures averages just over $200 per contact record. And this expense would be unnecessary if companies encrypted their data. So why don't organizations use encryption? Research consistently shows the two leading reasons companies hesitate to implement encryption are cost and complexity. Historically, encryption added more equipment and expenses into your environment and required more time for you to configure and manage the encryption process. In answer to the pains associated with the cost and complexity of encryption, Spectra developed BlueScale Encryption Key Management. BlueScale Encryption Key Management removes the cost and complexity of encryption by giving you a straightforward and integrated solution that allows for key management of LTO drive-based encryption, all built into the T50e library. Using the BlueScale interface, you can easily configure encryption in just 4 easy steps. Create an encryption user, assign a moniker for an encryption key, export your encryption keys, and set up a partition for encryption. That's all that's required to configure and encrypt your data in a T50e library. And decrypting your data is just as easy. You retrieve your encrypted files through your backup application, and the T50e decrypts the data as it's restored. But don't confuse the ease of operation with lack of security. This is full AES 256-bit encryption, the same encryption standard used by the U.S. government for encryption of top-secret information. Not only has Spectra removed the complexity from configuring encryption, we've also eliminated the other significant encryption concern: cost. Standard BlueScale encryption key management is included free of charge in all Spectra T-Series libraries. By addressing the concerns of cost and complexity, T50e offers you a free and straightforward solution that protects your data with government-approved AES 256-bit encryption and saves you time and money should your tapes ever become lost or stolen. For a more in-depth look at BlueScale Encryption Key Management, please visit our encryption feature page.